Hello guys, so I was thinking I'm gonna try this kind of unboxing video. I bought myself some stuff from a place called Maptuner Performance. So, shall we have a look what's in the package? Oh, lots of packaging peanuts. God damn it. Oh. Let's see. Here we have it. It's a chip tune with 630cc injectors and new spark plugs as well. Alright, here's the injectors. Yeah, nice. Oh, there's a box in the bottom, damn it. Huh, spark plugs. Another spark plug. Spark plug. There's one left. Oh, there it is. 4 spark plugs. And finally, I'm gonna get packaging foams all over my room. God damn it. Maptuner Performance. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. How do I get into this? Oh yeah. Got a paper with instructions. Yeah. How to download the software into the car. You can unplug fuses and relays and stuff. Turn off the lights and yeah. We plug it in. And reset the control box, the ECU. Yeah. And there it is, the Maptuner. OBD2 cable and stuff. But yeah. So This is the thing that you use to download the new software into your car. Really easy, you just push a few buttons and it's done. Pretty sweet. And we've got the wires. Oh, and candy! Key strap. Oh yeah, and this is the OBD2 connector. USB connector for the box, so you can update it over the internet. You can just download new software from the internet if, well, for whatever reason. If they release a new update, or if you want to buy some new software, you don't have to wait for them to mail it to you. Oh. Ah. Nice. Strong little fella. Couple of stickers. So the cops can know you have a tuned car. Yeah, I want to advertise that for sure. So yeah, that's it. I already have a exhaust system, a 3-inch exhaust system mounted on my car, as you might have seen in my other videos. And yeah, together with that I'm gonna get about 300 horsepower with the software and the injectors and everything. It's a BioPower conversion, so it'll run on E85 as well as regular pump gas. Preferably in 98 octane, I think. So yeah, I'm kinda nervous actually, because yeah, I'm at the limit what they say the pistons can handle in those engines, so I have a bit of a fear that you know, might crack pistons and end up having to do an engine rebuild, or worse, an engine swap. That would really suck. But yeah, I hope it works out alright, and I get some some fun, some back pushing fun. You know, the kind of fun that pushes you back into the seat. Yeah, gonna play around with this stuff now. See ya.